Exeed is the high-end brand of Chery Automobile. Exeed Yaoguang is a mid-sized SUV with powerful 2.0T power and is an SUV loved by many people. The appearance of Exeed Yaoguang C-DM is basically the same as the fuel version. The front face adopts a similar borderless air intake grille, and the interior consists of diamond-shaped elements. It has a black decorative panel with Xingtu Exeed logo and left and right LEDs. Headlights expand the visual impact and increase the feeling of sophistication. Additionally, the vertical strip LED light strip extends downwards, which will be very eye-catching when lit. In terms of size, the length, width and height of Exeed Yaoguang C-DM are 4,781 by 1,920 by 1,671 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,815 mm. The body outlines are the same as the fuel version. It is not a long and strong style, but it has good clearance, a sporty feel. The suspended ceiling gradually slides downwards, and hidden electric door handles are used. There is a small spoiler at the end of the roof, and the wing-type high-mounted brake lights are more individual. The taillights of the decided type also feature a black trim panel with the Exeed logo, reflecting the design of the vehicle. The front of the car and the internal structure of the exquisite light group, the red LED light strip is crystal clear. The left and right sides of the rear of the car are shaped like air guides, and the rear perimeter is decorated with 4 clear lights. The exhaust pipes on both sides make it look very sporty. There are no changes in its interior and fuel version. The center console layout and door position are somewhat similar to the Mercedes-Benz design. The electronic transmission will provide a variety of interior colors and the cabin will use a lot of soft materials and leather/leather trim. Exeed Yaoguang C-DM features panoramic imaging, full-speed adaptive cruise control, retractable panoramic sunroof, front-row mobile phone wireless charging, active braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistant, etc. It will be equipped with features, but they are not available yet. Rear legroom is adequate, and headroom will be affected by the sunroof. However, if a passenger is 1.78 meters tall sitting in the back row, there is no headroom problem, there will be no feeling of pressure, the trunk volume is completely sufficient, the flatness is good after the rear seats are folded. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 1.5T engine and a plug-in hybrid system consisting of one engine. Maximum engine power is 115 kilowatts, 156 horsepower, and maximum engine torque is 220 Nm. Power. The parameters of the engine are not yet clear, but the transmission part will be paired with a 3-speed DHT hybrid transmission.